Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best cotton swab is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly cleaning tools you can add to your household arsenal, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional disposable wipes and paper towels. Imagine effortlessly tackling spills, wiping down surfaces, and even using them for personal care, all while significantly reducing your environmental footprint and saving money in the long run. This innovative product is designed for the modern, conscious consumer who seeks effective solutions without compromising on sustainability, making it a smart choice for both your home and the planet. Number 5. Cliganic Premium Cotton Rounds. Experience the softness and purity of our premium cotton rounds. Made from 100% pure cotton, they offer a gentle touch for your skin. Effortlessly remove makeup and impurities with these high-quality pads. Their design ensures a smooth and effective cleansing experience every time. Designed for sensitive skin, these rounds are hypoallergenic and lint-free. You can trust them for a comfortable and irritation-free application. With a generous pack of 300, you'll have plenty for your daily skincare routine. Enjoy long-lasting quality and value. Choose Cliganic for premium skincare essentials. Our commitment to quality ensures you receive the best for your beauty and wellness needs. What we like. These are made from 100% pure cotton, ensuring a gentle touch on your skin. They are also hypoallergenic and lint-free, making them perfect for sensitive users. If you're looking for a reliable and gentle option for makeup removal or skincare application, these are a great choice. What people say. The cotton swabs are made of 100% cotton and are very soft. They are great for cleaning small spaces and are very absorbent. The swabs are also biodegradable and eco-friendly. Number 4. Diane Cotton Swabs, 375 CT. Discover the gentle touch you can trust. Our cotton swabs are designed for everyday use, providing effective cleaning and care. Experience the softness of pure cotton. These swabs offer a comfortable and safe way to handle delicate tasks. From personal hygiene to beauty applications, they are incredibly versatile. You'll find them useful for countless daily routines. With 375 swabs in each pack, you're well stocked for a long time. Enjoy convenience and value with this generous supply. Choose a product that delivers consistent quality. They are made to meet your expectations for reliability and performance. What we like. This pack offers a generous 375 count of standard cotton swabs. They are versatile for everyday use, from personal hygiene to minor cleaning tasks. If you need a basic, no-frills cotton swab for general purposes, this bulk pack is a practical option. What people say. The cotton swabs are made of 100% cotton and are biodegradable. They are designed with a sturdy paper stick that does not bend easily. The swabs are great for cleaning electronics and other delicate items. Number 3. Clean Skin Club Clean Swabs. Introducing Clean Skin Club's premium cotton swabs. Designed for a gentle yet effective cleaning experience every time. Crafted with care, these swabs feature biodegradable organic cotton and bamboo. They are a sustainable choice for your daily routine. The unique pointed tip allows for precise application and cleanup. Perfect for detailed tasks like makeup and nail polish touch-ups. Enjoy peace of mind with our hypoallergenic and chlorine-free swabs. They are gentle on sensitive skin and free from harsh chemicals. This generous 500-count package ensures you're always stocked. Get the quality and quantity you need for all your personal care needs. What we like. These swabs feature a unique pointed tip for precise application and cleanup. Made with biodegradable organic cotton and bamboo, they are an eco-conscious choice. If you prioritize sustainability and need precision for detailed tasks like makeup or nail polish touch-ups, these are ideal. What people say. The cotton swabs are made of 100% cotton and are biodegradable. They are very soft and gentle on the skin. The swabs are sturdy and do not fall apart easily. Number 2. 1200 PCS Precision Tip Cotton Swabs. Introducing our pack of 1200 Precision Tip Cotton Swabs. They are designed for detailed application and cleaning. Each swab features a double-pointed design, allowing for accuracy in both makeup application and intricate cleaning tasks. Crafted with natural bamboo sticks and soft cotton heads, they offer a gentle touch. The moderate softness of the cotton head ensures a comfortable and skin-friendly experience for all your needs. These versatile swabs are perfect for perfecting your makeup or carefully cleaning delicate electronic products. With 1,200 pieces in total, you'll have plenty on hand for all your beauty and cleaning essentials. What we like. With 1,200 pieces and a double-pointed design, these swabs offer exceptional value and precision. The bamboo sticks are eco-friendly, and the cotton heads are skin-friendly. If you need a high-quantity, precise tool for detailed makeup application or cleaning small electronics, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The cotton swab is a great alternative to traditional cotton swabs, as it is reusable and eco-friendly. It is made of soft silicone material that is gentle on the skin and easy to clean. The cotton swab comes with a convenient carrying case, making it perfect for travel. Number 1. 6-inch precision gun cleaning swabs with storage case. Introducing our 6-inch precision cleaning swabs. They are designed for detailed work, ensuring a thorough clean every time. These swabs are lint-free, preventing unwanted residue. The bamboo handle offers a comfortable and eco-friendly grip for precise application. Perfect for gun cleaning, these swabs are also ideal for intricate tasks in makeup application and electronics maintenance. The long cotton tips allow you to reach tight spaces with ease. Their absorbent nature ensures effective cleaning and product application. Keep your swabs organized and protected with the included storage case. It's perfect for maintaining cleanliness and portability. Whether for your firearms, beauty routine, or delicate electronics, these swabs are the reliable choice for a spotless finish. What we like. These long, 6-inch swabs are specifically designed for precision tasks like gun cleaning, with a lint-free bamboo handle. They also come with a convenient storage case. If you're involved in detailed cleaning of firearms, electronics, or intricate areas, these specialized swabs are perfect for the job. What people say. The cotton swabs are made of 100% cotton, which makes them soft and absorbent. The swabs have a sturdy paper stick that doesn't bend easily, making them great for detailed tasks. They are versatile and can be used for various purposes, including makeup application, cleaning electronics, and crafting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.